Hello and welcome to the quick video. Just to let you know that there's an updated version of my favourite charger. It's this thing here, the iMars D300 Plus. Now, this is one of those very rare occasions where I actually get sent a product months in advance of it being released. Typically the way it works here is I get sent something and it's like, oh, can you do a video for 2 weeks away? Sometimes it's a week away, sometimes it's 3 or 4 days. And I'd struggle to call those things a review because you haven't had them long enough. Now, for those of you that have been watching my videos for quite a while, you'll know that behind me there, in front of my 3D printer, there has been what looks like the iMars D300 sat there. It's actually not been. It's been this thing, because I put a piece of black tape over the Plus, not particularly high-tech. And while I've got this in my hand, I'm actually charging a little battery with the D300 behind me. The iMars D300 has been my favourite 2-port charger for many years now, and actually this is kind of the third one I've had in. I actually bought one, it failed. These things happen, but what I was really impressed with was the way that GensACE handled the warranty return. There was only probably a couple of weeks left on the warranty, and they sent me a brand new charger. And that is the kind of help and support that you want, because these things are an investment in the hobby. Now, I did a video a while ago on that D300 that's currently chunking away there behind me, charging a little 2S battery for a quad that I'm about to review. But I thought, as it's now being released and I've been using it for so many months, I can talk about what this is. Because actually, this only really has 2 additional things over the original iMars D300 that's behind me, that's been my go-to charger for years and years. Just like the previous version of the iMars D300, this one supports the G-Tech battery. So it has the extra pin here by the side of the balance connector. You just plug your G-Tech batteries in here. That extra little pin on the left-hand side is going to communicate with the battery and is automatically going to set all of the configuration bits and pieces needed and charge it. It also is going to keep information about the battery, about the number of times it's been charged, the status of the battery, how many cycles it's been through. All those different things are going to be tracked and monitored as well. The big thing here is this little icon, this little Bluetooth icon. This D300 Plus has added the ability for it to connect via Bluetooth to the GensACE app on your phone or tablet. That allows you to remotely monitor and set all the standard things you'd expect, like the charge currents, and monitor the charging that's going on, but also crucially to access the information on any GensTech batteries that you have plugged in, so you can actually download and have a look at all that data to track what's actually going on. Now, a lot of the chargers, the higher end chargers that these guys have done, things like the D1000, have had that application for quite a while, but it's now appeared on the D300 Plus, which means that now not only does it have the G-Tech edition, which was the last update that I talked about, now we have the Bluetooth option going into the app. In terms of the rest of the specs, well, it's kind of exactly the same as the previous iMars D300, with the exception of that Bluetooth connection. Input voltages are AC 100 to 240 volts, DC 7 to 30 volts. It's the same output voltage of 1 to 30 volts, the same maximum current of 34 amps, maximum charging current of 300 watts on AC. DC is 350 watts on both channels, charging current of 0.1 to 16 amps, discharge current of 0.1 to 3 amps on both channels. Output USB is on the side here, which I really love, 5 volts, 2 amps. We have the display is the same 2.4 inch IPS LCD, same supported battery types, LiPo, LAHV, LAFE, nickel metal hydride. Same dimensions, same weight, same everything really. The other nice thing about this is I've actually had to update this one a couple of times during the review period, and not only can you update it via the app, but by plugging the cable that you get supplied into this port at the side and powering it up, it's very quick and easy to update the firmware on this via the applications that you can download from the GensACE website. So I just wanted to show you this really, just to kind of let you know that it has been upgraded again. So this latest version of the iMars D300 still has all the fantastic features that I loved on the very original one, and then on the upgraded one, and now we have the Plus, which also allows you to monitor things from your phone or tablet. Personally, I would recommend, although that application is very handy to keep an eye on things, my recommendation is never ever leave a charging battery unattended. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.